We actually had a lowering right behind us. Things got really windy, really intense, really fast. This is the new storm to our south. I'm on County Road 11, Andy, Peggy, and those guys are somewhere near me also.
I'm going to try to get behind it, so see you later.
Maybe much later. I really wouldn't recommend it.
Funnel cloud reported.
Do it like here any second.
I don't know which way this is going. It's a major motion. Major motion right now.
I'm gonna get right behind these trees. If this thing crosses the road, we gotta be aware of these power lines they go down. Just out of curiosity, who are you guys with, Peggy?
Chris and Scott. I think it's gonna put a tornado down right across the road from us right now.
Going slow, guys. Going slow.
And they look to the north, too. The inflo's good? The inflow tail, I should say? Yeah. What the hell's behind us? Is that a rain shaft or is that That's a rain shaft. Copy that. My mirror's all full of condensation. I can't see it. Yeah, just keep an eye out the rear view window. It looks like, do I see a funnel up there? I can't tell. Headlights, Jim. Thank you. Do I stop, take another quick look? There's a road coming up here that we can take south. Hopefully get a little bit out of the way, since it is moving kind of southeast. Copy. How's yourself doing, Peggy? By the core real soon. I don't know about a gravel road.
We're getting pretty stuff coming in, so we're headed south, pretty much under the mezzo, but the action area is just, we're headed